Yeah! Alright, thank you.
Ito, guys, makikita nyo yung yung weather forecast. Yan.
Dapat tutok ka lagi sa weather.
Kung
kasi
paglalabas kayo or meron kayong planong mamasyal,
or may pasok.
may pasok, kung anong, at least makakapag-prepare ka, tsaka mariready mo yung susuotin mo. Kung magdadala ka ng jacket, payong, yung kamit dyan ka tumitingin. Accurate naman to. Sabado ngayon, medyo maganda naman yung panahon. Oh, yam. Saan ka punta?
Punta tayo sa Gloucester, guys.
Ang gagawin doon?
Magbili, tas kain. Tas,
Puntahan natin yung yung pinag-shootingan ni Harry Potter.
yung museum.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ayos ba yan?
Hmm?
Ayos yun?
Ayos yan.
Si Mama. Ang mabilis kumilos. Noel! Saan tayo punta? Where are we going? To Gloucester.
And we are going to the McDonald's.
We're going to Do you miss McDonald?
Yeah.
Ikaw, kuya.
Gloucester.
Gagawin mo doon.
Lakad.
Lakad natin si Mama at si Baby. Hello. Punta kami ngayon sa Gloucester, Saturday. Ayan.
City.
Board na sila.
Hello.
Lakad-lakad lang pati si Baby.
Everyone is watching.
Tapos pupuntahan ulit namin yung cathedral na pinag-shootingan nila Harry Potter. Ayun. Napunta na namin yun pero hindi namin na-BJ. Di ba?
Yes.
Sama kayo, sama. Let's go!
Hello guys, we're in Gloucester today and we're going to eat and then go over there, Harry Potter place, that big castle. Is it taller than the Big Ben?
Yeah. Si Mama. Noel! Say hi! Still sleepy? Hmm? Let's go, guys! Love, dito tayo. Bye time. Parking. Akin na yung cellphone mo. Pambabayad.
So yun nga guys, gagamitin yung pambayad. Maakin.
Take care, ha? Sige dito yan. Mag-aano kami, babayad ng parking. Tubig tayo. Love. Tubig tayo wala. Hindi na muna.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, it's me.
Hello.
Is a
We're currently paying and
yes.
after we pay we're gonna go walk and eat. Say hello, Noel.
Hello.
Wait, ha.
Okay.
Press fast
Ayan o. Wait time mo.
Oh, yun. Iyan mo na lang. Ito na lang yan.
Hindi wala. Masasayang yung ano mo. Mabaliwala yung...
I'm just gonna show the place.
Babalik.
Oh,
Para
babalik ka.
Ayun na nga. Dapat 3 hours pero
Yeah, of course.
ayun na, nakapag ano na kami ng ticket.
1 hour lang dapat.
1
Dito.
Dapat 3 hours pero 1 hour lang eh. First time namin mag parking.
Mhm.
Ang diri daw ganyan.
Yeah.
Tapos to palang ticket, kailangan to nilalagay dito.
Na, babalik ka. Tignan mo kung ano oras.
Yan, dito pa.
Balik ka ng 250.
Okay?
Yeah.
So let's go. Yun guys, dapat lalagay nyo dun. Kasi kung wala, matitikitan ka kayo.
So hard to use this.
Ano name ng bird na yan?
Seagull.
Seagull?
Yeah, I think. Noel, come here.
Bakit? Dito pa ako yun.
Na, balik ka ng ano, 250.
Sige, sige.
Ay, 350. Tapos i-plus mo 2 hours lang.
Hmm?
Ano ka dyan, happy ka sa being, sabi naman.
Like being time.
Yep.
Kain muna tayo. Relax ka lang. Baka mas independent tayo. So yun, kakain muna kami. Tapos, pupunta kami sa sa cathedral. Yung pinag-shootingan ni Harry Potter. Nakuha naman ba ako? Baka mamaya. Salita ako ng salita. Yung pa ako pala. Careful ha.
Yeah.
You can turn off pagka na. Side ka na. Tapos ganda lang i-continue.
Gloucester. Very nice place and lots of food, lots of stores, lots of play.
And so I always go if it's like has the like strawberry chocolate.
Popcorn frappe sounds delicious.
Ang alin?
Popcorn.
What do you like to eat?
Okay guys, change of plans. We're going to KFC instead of McDonald's.
Saan tayo, Yam?
We're going to
Saan?
KFC. We're going to KFC, guys. We're here. As you can see, as you can see, we're very close to a building, very tall,
Doon?
and we're close to McDonald's now.
Okay. McDonald's?
KFC, sorry.
Hindi, sa kabila. Ikaw na bahala sa akin, love. Order na kayo. Yan, ano ko lang to.
I don't want fries. Only I want chicken.
We'll wait for the food while we just sit in table. I'll find table. Once you find table.
Sige.
Where's ice cream?
Yung lagi natin order.
Ito?
Mm.
Ito?
Where's
Oh.
ice cream?
Tapos maganda tayo na.
Tapos palitan mo yung beans. Kinain ko na. Doon, saan?
Mama,
Dulo.
Mama, Where's ice cream?
Tapos ayun. Pag okay na yung order, tap-tapan na.
Okay na.
Preparing sa daddy ni
I love
Baby
you, Mommy.
Gaben.
Mama, everyone is watching you.
Yes. Wow, I'm so famous. It's the camera's looking at
My
me.
my turn. My turn.
Never stand. Oh, look at the camera. Ay, paano ba? Wow. Hello,
Move around,
Noel.
Noel. Move around. Noel, move around. Let's go, guys. Our food's ready. Yummy, eh?
Are you taking vlog?
My father is.
You remember? Oh, say hi. Hello. Say something. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, our food's
Ayan, show the food.
There's no ice cream.
just wait.
Support
Okay,
mo.
let's eat now.
Okay, let's eat now.
Let's eat, guys. Hashtag to the burger.
Ayun, kain muna kami. Sige, sige. Sarap. Oh, ba't Noel? Ba't Noel? Naman, nakapaklap hands pa si Noel, oh.
Noel,
What Noel? Noel. Oh, ayan pa, ayan pa. Oh, yummy yan, yummy. Sarap, sarap. Eh, na yung camera, oh. Makikita ng awa. Yeah.
This ain't the way it's supposed to be. And you know I wouldn't do that to you. You know I wouldn't treat you that way. No, I've been running, can't catch up.
You baby. How old? 1 month. Oh, nice. 1 is 5 months.
Hello. Oh, that's cool.
Thanks.
Very good, man. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Bye.
Always been so pretty. Posting postcards from the city. I've been walking downtown every day.
Life would be dream. Okay, we're done. We're done eating, and now we're gonna go to Primark with my family. It's very hot today. It's very hot today, and the meal was very delicious. It's very sunny and nice weather. Lots of shops, lots of stores, lots of restaurants, and lots of color and activities.
Vlog kayo, ha?
Hello. Hi. Hi.
Roman. Dito, Roman.
Dito
Ingat. Iya. Ingat.
Bye.
Hello, what's your name?
Okay, bye-bye.
Yeah. What close?
Ay, paano siya? Ano nga?
Shout out.
Oh, shout out.
Shout out.
Mga digos.
Shout out. Shout out.
Digos boys. Okay, ingat.
For shoutout natin, ah.
Si Mama. Ito na yung ano ni Mama. Sa Primark.
To be kidding me.
Pwede to picture. Picture tayo, bilis. Noel, come here. Noel. Pwede to picture.
See the camera. Baya?
Ah, sige. It's a prank. What's that? Hi, wait. Yeah. Nawala na. Hello. Gising siya.
Hey, Ben. Hello.
Nakabili na kami ng mga damit ng 3 babies. Pero kaming mga magulang wala. Walang nabili. Puro sa mga bata lang.
Yes.
What happened to the
Later na. Ito mabilis na.
Para kay Liam, Noel, and Haven. Pero si Mama at Papa wala. Natulog na ang baby.
O anong meron dyan?
Bubudol tayo. Come on, let's go. Bubudol natin si Papa.
Anong mabubudol natin dyan?
Maraming sale dito.
Oo nga, yan o.
Oh, tignan mo ito,
Chicken.
Chicken. Kuha na kayo. Kuha na kayo si Papa. Pinapay, do you still have bread? Look po. Three for, people. The one pound.
Dito laging sale eh, no? Yan, chicken. Ano yan?
What's the sigma?
Saan? Laki.
Kunin natin.
Magkano?
Butter.
1 pound 60.
Meron ka na namang ano dyan ah. Yan, Japaleno ah.
1 pound.
Sige!
Can
Ah,
we have everything in this store?
sige!
Okay.
Samantala nyo, porque busy ako.
Porket hindi makakahindi kasi
Like
Noel, what's that?
I think you're not, are you gonna eat that?
Yes. Sarap yan.
Oh, show to the people. Come on.
Show what
to-
you got, you bought.
Oh. What's that? What's that?
Milk.
That's ice cream.
Ice cream?
Yes.
Ha?
Daming gamit sa candy.
Oo nga eh. Cameraman na ako. Taga ano pa ako. Bit-bit. Sige. I'm joking. Tara na. Tara kasi yung parking hanggang alas 6 lang. Hey, guys.
My name's Jimmy, I'm 21.
Hello. Hello to my vlog.
Hello.
Can you invite them to my vlog? Ka-vlogger Yarn.
Yes.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Jimmy, I'm 21. You get ready. You say it. It's 3, 2, 1.
Thank you guys, thank you.
Jimmy, I'm 21. What's your YouTube channel?
I'm not yet, I don't have yet, but I'm planning to make a channel. Okay, guys?
You recording?
Yes, recording. Can you say it again?
My name is
Please-
Timmy. I'm
please
21
like-
and I'm a female.
Please like and share Ka-vlogger Yarn.
Please like and share.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah. Alright, thank you guys. Hindi mo ako nakikita ko.
I don't know what you're saying. Speak English.
Wait, that's my number. Papa, look up. That's my password.
1989.
Yes, that's my password.
Wala to, ay sarado na.
No.
Close.
Girl. We'll find ways, bro.
So yun guys, ito yung cathedral na pinag-shootingan nila Harry Potter, yan. Kaso late na eh, kaya sarado na, malas. So yan yun. May mga ilang scene sila dyan.
Policing, and this is the scene of Harry Potter. This is the place. A lot of singing.
Hello Noel. Balik na kami sa
Okay dito yung parking. Mas madali.
Dito na kaagad, no?
Kaawa naman yung baby.
Tara, yan. Yun, pabalik na kami sa ano. Pagod na kayo? Ha?
Yes.
Tired, Noel?
Yes.
Go home na? Ikaw, Yam. Na kami.
Think about your day and ask you.
So yun, wala, hindi kami umabot kasi mabibilis kami kumilos, pero okay lang, at least
Basketball ka pa kasi. Kung di ka nag-basketball guys, 10 o'clock na alis na tayo guys.
natin. Lapit nga. Yun na nga.
Yun na nga guys.
Yun na nga guys.
Sunod guys, basketballist lang.
Ay, lapit. Yun, okay lang, paminsan-minsan. Lakad-lakad din. Diba? Next time. Oh, ikaw, ano masasabi mo? Wala. Pagod na sila. Sige, bye. Dito na lang muna kami. Bye-bye na kayo, bye-bye. Noel.